Finally, I am back after 45 days without being here on the boat. The physiotherapy is going well. It's not really good, but I'm keeping doing physiotherapy, and I can go back and do some jobs and try to not harm anymore the arm, my shoulder. And I will now install the two other battery supports that is here, and put the batteries in place to try to handle with the mess inside. It's almost impossible work or living here because this mess, but to organize everything I need put the supports in place, the batteries in place, the floor, and then I can organize everything because it's impossible to walk here. Okay, that is the job. Install the supports, batteries, floors, and tomorrow try to organize the boat to keep this place as a place that is possible to live inside and work, and then go to the next step. About the solar, let me show you. Look that. Well, this is our little guys. The inverter, Xantrex charger controller, the big guys charger controller, the voltage regulator for our new system. These first two I bought when we bring the boat to Guarujá to start the works, and I had 4 solar panels, 155 watts each one, means 620 watts of watts, sorry. I think it's true German.
Watt. 620 watts.
620 watts. And I had, when we did the platform, we prepared the platform for 3 solar panels of 320 each one. Means I will have in the total of the solar system something about 1508 watts, something like that. This kind of power brings a lot of amperage. In 12 volts, these guys here is 60 amps each one. For 3 solar panels that is working with the 320 watts panels will give me 960 watts. That will bring more amperage that the MPPT charger controller can run. Means I will not use this energy. I will not burn the controller, because these kind of controllers, charger controllers, are able to control the amount of energy and not make damage. But if the solar system can give me 70 amps and the controller just can handle with 60, the limit is 60. 10, I will not produce, I will not send to the batteries. I'm losing energy. When I change to 24, the amperage stay the same, 60. Means the controller can handle with twice of the power. And means the 3 solar panels on the platform can be controlled by just one controller, and I would use that controller for the STAM solar system, the 3 solar panels on the stand of the boat, on the platform. In the cockpit I will have 4 solar panels, 155 each one, means 620, that I will control with this 30 amps Centrex solar controller. This solar controller, it's a gift. Duca and Roberta give us these 2 solar controller. They are given by Centrex to Duca and Roberta, and they, for some reason, it's too complex to explain now, they sent 2 more than needs, and Duca asked them what they want to do, and they say, well, give to someone that you think is a good person to have these controllers. Then I'll make a good use of that. The cockpit solar system will be controlled by this Centrex system. And this Centrex system, let me show you here, because this is really amazing. Let me tell you, they are not paying anything for me, okay? I'm telling because I really believe on that. It's really amazing. We can handle with 2 battery systems. These come from the solar panel, the battery system, and a second battery system. This second battery system is the engine battery system. As the main battery system is 24 and the engine battery system is 24 too, I can connect the engine battery system on this connection, the second battery, and this solar controller will keep the battery with the right charge and keep the battery every time ready to start. I did one small mistake, nothing bad, but you can see here I did a reinforcement, and this place is touching here and don't let me put on place. I will cut a little piece here that will not damage the structure, to let me install in the place. My bad. Well, it's not so bad. 3 battery supports and just a small mistake that is easy to handle with. Okay, I accept that. Let me correct that and come back to finish this. Then I have this guy for the STAM solar system and this guy for the cockpit solar system. Well, I have more 2 charger. What do I do with that? That is a trick thing. Okay, if someone of Centrex are looking this video, please turn off right now, okay? No one let me do that, but I'm doing because I know what I'm doing. Ooh. I'm supposed to be an electrical engineer, and I think I know what I'm doing.
Yipe!
Just a brief explanation. This solar controller I can use to charge battery. That is the main function. Take the energy from the solar panels and charge the batteries. But the voltage on the solar system need be higher than the battery. At least to work well, 17, 18 volts to charge a battery of 12. If you remember, I have two batteries for the 12 volt system that will run the pumps and high power things on 12 volts. The things that I will not change right now. But I need to keep these batteries with the right charge. I cannot just use the energy of the battery and not recharge. What I do, I will take this solar controller and connect the output on the 12 volt batteries, and the input comes from the 24 volts batteries. Means this is a very high efficiency controller. Means I will not lose almost anything. It's really a little bit I will lose to run the charger, the charger controller. Then I will take the 24, pass through the charger controller, the Xantrex charger controller, and charge the 12 volt system, battery system. That's why I'm using this one. This for cockpit solar, and this for the 24 to the 12 volt system. And I will keep the 12 right. Well, the same idea I will use more or less to charge the 24 volt system when I'm taking energy from the docks, from the marina, the 110 or 220. The right way is by a charger. Charger is expensive, really expensive. And as I have this one, the original one, and Duke and Xantrex gave me these two charger, means I have one charging that I have no use. It's here with no use. The first thing that I did when I was really a kid, my father teach me how to do a voltage supplier, a 12 volt supplier, and that is something that is pretty common to me. Then what I do is do a DC voltage supplier that will run more or less like a solar panel to input on this big guy here. That with this I can take the 110 and 220 and input on the solar charger controller, and goes to the battery to charge the battery. That's why I will install these 4 charger controllers. This is the inverter, 24, 2000 watts, a big guy, 220 volts output, and we will use just when we need 220 or 110. I think that is the main idea for our electrical system. One thing, if you know Odd Channel, you know this guy here. Let me take some light here. You know this guy here. This big guy, it's the first inverter and battery charger, and some electrical guy, when the Duca comes boat the boat, make evaluation and told Duca that is broken, doesn't work. And when I met Duca, he asked me to take a look. I take a look and told him everything is right, is running. This is a heart interface that is the old brand of Suntrax. It's a very good one. I think it's more than 25 years old, still running. Duca received a new Suntrax, and I bought from Duca this one, and it's running. It's keeping my 12-volt system charger because I have no solar panel yet installed. We'll do in the future, near future, I hope. But this guy is still running. I'll keep on the boat, just a backup if I need an extra charger. I'll keep this on the boat. I will not give up of this guy. Will not be our main system, but I will keep it on the boat to just to be safe. Now works okay. It's in place. Oh yeah. And the other one here, it's in place. I will put some Sikaflex on the screws just to be sure if some water comes or anything, the screw is sealed. It's just because, well, you know, more is better in this case. Okay, I did it. The 3 battery supports, 2 here, 8 here, and more 2 here. It's in place. Now I need move the floor a little bit up to have enough clearance to the floor can be here and not touch on the battery. I have the wood. I did the wood last time that I was here, and now I need install in place, check if everything is okay, and then put the batteries in place, and then I can organize the boat. Tomorrow PT will be here. He finished the wood for the platform, and we will test if everything is okay. I will vanish, and then he will do the box of the platform, and then the platform is ready. Hope soon. The 24 volts for the engine I will not change, but I will derivate the charge from the main 24 volt systems, because I will have just one generator on the engine. Right now we have two, one 12 small one and one very small 24 just for the battery start system. I would change these two alternators for one big one alternator generator, and with a diode I will send the energy from the main 24 to the engine 24 volt system and keep the batteries running. Simple, easy, no problem. If you guys want to know more about the electrical system, if you didn't understand something and want more explanation, please let me know. I can try to be more clear, or can explain with more details, okay?